FSD version 13 will include audio input to respond to incoming emergency vehicle with their sirens on. With FSD version 13, Tesla will identify the sound of emergency vehicle siren to know to pull over to get off their way. Tesla FSD vehicle in the past has struggled handling emergency vehicles, so this will be much improved reward prediction for collision avoidance, following traffic controls, navigation, etc.
No love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble